Problem in the isometric view, isometric projection is this your problem. This one is your next problem. So let us draw this one in the AutoCAD. So if you observe the question here, this is your actually in the bottom you can see the projection that it is mentioned in the third angle projection. Third angle projection means that means this is your front view. In the third angle, in the first angle projection, the front view will be in the top and the top view will be in the bottom. Okay, so exactly in the third angle projection, we can see that this is your this is your front view and this is your top view. Okay, as it is mentioned, it is in the third angle projection. This is your front view and the bottom one is your front view and the top one is your top view. Okay, exactly opposite. So before starting the diagram, let me take UN enter. Okay, and units, as you all know, as we have done so many problems previously, right? This one into mm and okay. Now limits 0 comma 0 enter 594 comma 420 enter. Hit enter, enter. Now REC enter for your work area 0 comma 0 enter and 594 comma 420. So for drawing the line, okay, I'll enter. I will draw somewhere here. I will on the ortho mode. Okay, escape. Now again L enter. Now if you observe what is the total length over here, the total length from this center point is 100. Okay, and from this center point this is your 25 mm. So instead of that one I can place this iso right angle, I mean this iso circle on this spot. So I will take only 100 mm. Now from this point L enter. Yeah, already L enter is there and shift at the rate. What is the value? 100 and angle this side I have to give 150. Left side, as we have to move left side, I have to give the 150 angle. Enter. Okay, this is your 150 line. Now what is the height I have to take? The height is 15 mm. The first of all, as the base is 15 mm. Okay, so first of all I will draw overall base. Now that is your 15 mm. Okay, enter. Again for this point only I will take 100 mm. Shift at the rate 100 and angle it will be 330. Okay, and C enter. So this is your first of all whatever the bottom I am drawing now. Okay, this is your iso left and on this you can get a this circular shape over here. And in the right, this side iso right, what is the value I have to take? 15 plus 20. 15 plus 20 35. Again, as this is a 15 mm, this will be also 15 mm. Okay, now 30 plus 20 50. Okay, L enter. From this bottom I will take shift at the rate 50 mm and angle 30 and height, what is the height? 15 mm. Enter and again this one point. Okay, yes, right. Now from this point what is the height I have to take? 50 mm from the bottom. So that L enter. From this point ortho mode L enter. From this end point 50 mm 50. Okay, the height is 50 mm. Again, what is the distance? We have taken up to here only, the 30 mm. So this is 100 mm and from this center point it is 30 mm. Okay, right. L enter. From this point I will take shift at the rate and what is the angle? What is the length? 30 mm and angle. What is the angle I have to take now? This is your 330. Enter. Okay, now again I will draw. enter from this point, and what is the 30 mm, and again what is the height we have taken, 50 mm, 15 20 plus 30 50 mm, 50, okay, and shift at the rate and angle 270, as I have to go downside, okay, escape, okay, as it has stuck at the bottom, tr double enter, I'll remove this one which I don't require, and from this point what is the value, this one is your 50 mm, okay, right, uh, again escape, L enter, from this point I will take L enter, what is the value, 50 mm, and shift at the rate, I have to take shift at the rate 50 mm and angle 30, okay, and in this manner I have to go shift at the rate, and what is the value, 30 mm and angle 150, okay, and again I have to join this one directly, I can join, this is your top view of this one, 50 by 30, okay, right, again from this point L enter, from this point I will join shift at the rate 50 mm and angle 30, okay, and I will join somewhere here, okay, again L enter, from this point I will join here directly, okay, this is your base point, and from this midpoint I can join L enter, from this midpoint uh, instead of that one I will enter C enter, from this midpoint what is the length, 12 mm, okay, 12 enter, 12 is your radius, okay, right, and L enter, from this point I will join directly, okay, here also I will draw a C enter, and from this midpoint I will draw 12 mm circle, so that I can get a 12 mm points over here, this point and this point, this is your 12 mm lines from the center point, okay, right, now I'll enter, I will join from this point to the this point, escape, now I'll enter, from this point to this point, here double enter, I'll remove, instead of that one I'll select the directly delete, I'll select delete, okay, so like this, okay, 12, 1 minute, let me check the value, as this length is appearing very large, so let me check the value, dimension linear, I will check, align, I have to select align, for knowing that one, dim style and modify, and the text I will take at 7 mm, so that it is easily available, okay, close, yes, it is taken as 24 mm, so that's why the lines are coming very big, so delete, you have to take 12 mm only, so that C enter, actually from this midpoint I have to take 12 mm is we are taking the midpoint, so I have to take 6 mm radius, right, this is your 12 mm, as we have taken the radius as 6, this will be your 12 mm width, again C enter, at this midpoint I will take 6 mm, okay, right, now L enter, from this point I will take up to here, okay, again L enter, from this point I will join up to here, yes, I'll lead these circles for exact value, now, okay, again I'll enter, from this point I will join exactly ortho mode, Now again L enter, from this point I will join up to here. Okay. Now TR double enter, and this part it should be hidden and we can trim off also. Right. This is the of the portion we have completed with all the necessary values, and on this top I have to draw a isotop circles. Okay, so first of all let me draw this small circle of radius diameter 25. That means I have to take 25 by 25 this polygon. Okay, now L enter, I'll join somewhere here and shift at the rate 25. As this diameter is 25, I have to take 25 by 25, 25 angle 30. Okay, enter, and again we have to take isotop actually. So shift at the rate and again 25. And what is the value I have to give? In this manner, 150. Enter. And again shift at the rate 25. And what is the angle I have to give? 210. C enter. Okay, right. Now L enter, I will join the highest diagonal so that for getting a midpoint, and L enter, and from this point I will join the midpoint, spacebar, and from this I will join the midpoint. Okay, spacebar, and from this point I will join somewhere here, midpoint, this point or this point. Okay, this data is enough. You can join this line also if you want. Okay, otherwise I can draw directly. C enter, and from this point I will join up to here. TR double enter. Okay, escape, again C enter, from this point up to here. TR double enter. Okay, right. Now again escape, C enter, from this point I will join up to here. TR double enter. Okay, again C enter, from this point I will take up to here. Escape, yeah, it has went outside, so the radius is wrong I think. C enter, and from this point up to here. Yeah, now it came perfectly. TR double enter. Okay, now I will copy this one. Escape, M enter, with the midpoint I will place somewhere here on this midpoint. Okay, now whatever the value I want, I will delete all the values which I don't require. Okay, right. Now I have to place this arc, half of the arc on this one. This radius will be 25. So I have to take, as this is a 25, I have to take 50 by 50. Radius is 25. That means diameter is your 50. So I will take the circle 50 mm. So L enter. From this point, I will join shift at the rate 50 mm and angle 30. Okay, and again shift at the rate 50 mm and angle 150, and shift at the rate 50 mm angle 210, and C enter. Okay, I'll join the highest diagonal so as to mention the midpoint. Escape. Now again L enter. From this I will join this midpoint and L enter. From this point I will join opposite midpoint. Escape, and again spacebar. From this midpoint I will join somewhere here. Okay, yeah, this data is enough for me. Now C enter. From this point, I'll join up to here. 1 minute, C enter, and from this end point, I'll join up to here. TR double enter. Okay, escape. Now again C enter. From this point, okay, already completed. C enter. From this point, I'll take up to here. TR double enter. Okay, right. Now again C enter. From this point, I have to take up to here. TR double enter. Again C enter. From this point, I'll take up to here. TR double enter. Okay, right. Again escape. I will copy all this diagram and M enter, move, and from this midpoint I will place here. Okay. Now whatever the data I required, I will delete all the remaining part. This one. Okay, and this line also. Okay, 1 minute. Escape, Control Z. From this line also I will join L enter so that it is easy. Okay, instead of that one, from this midpoint I can join here somewhere like that, and EX double enter like that also I can do. I can extend this line also. Okay. Right. Now trim up all the lines which I don't require. And delete. Okay. Right. And this also I no need. TR double enter. Otherwise, select this one, delete. Select this one, delete, and select this one, delete. And this one also you can delete. And TR double enter. You can trim off this one also. Okay. Right. And okay, this is your value, and escape. Now for this you can make a chamfer, otherwise you can draw a 15 mm circle. C enter. From this point, as it is a 15 mm gap, 15 by 15, so I will enter 15 radius. I will join this one, L enter, and from this point I will join directly. Escape, and again L enter. I will lead this circuit. L enter, and from this point I will join ortho mode. L enter. Escape. Enter. Escape, and here double enter. You can use chamfer command also instead of this one. Otherwise, if you are not perfect, you can do it like this. Okay, here double enter. Okay, right. From this point also C enter, and from this point I will enter 15 radius. Right. Now L enter. I will join this part and this part. Escape. L enter, and from this point I will join straight. TR double enter. TR double enter. Okay, right. So this is your diagram of this one. Okay, just practice it, and this as the question has given in the third angle projection, you can observe here third angle projection. So this is your front view and this is your top view. So exactly this can be your answer. Okay, just practice it.